I hope everybody had a really fun week this week learning about the letter X and the number 5 and exploring capacity and talking about floating and sinking and learning about Jesus and some of his miracles, like when he calmed the storm. Well, that was a lot in 1 week. So I figured I wanted to do one last thing for fun that maybe you want to try at home. We remember that we learned the letter X, right? There's the letter X. X marks the spot like this. And we talked about a xylophone. Can you sing the ABC song for me as I play it? Did you hear my dog singing too? I don't know if you heard him, but he was barking. Can we sing it together now? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now, I don't know if you remember, and I don't even remember if we spoke about it, but a xylophone goes from a low note, low, 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 to a high note, high. If I hold it like this, it's almost like a ladder. It goes from low to high. Listen. Like you're walking up the steps. Now we can walk down the steps. So I thought it would be fun to make my own xylophone because maybe you don't have a xylophone at home. So all you need to make your own xylophone is a few glasses. They all should be the same size. So let's count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I put water in my glasses and I put a little coloring just so it would make it look cool. So in my first glass I have just a tiny bit and it's red. In my next one I put a little bit more water and it's orange. In my third one I put a little more and I made it what color? Yellow. Then in my fourth cup I put a little more water and made it green. And then in my last cup I filled it to the top and I made it blue. So if we were talking about capacity again, we could say that all of my glasses hold the same amount because they're all the same size, but I didn't fill them up all the same way. And watch what happens if I hit them. Listen to them very carefully. Did you hear it went up a little bit like a xylophone? It goes from lower to higher. And how about from higher to lower? How about if I go like this? And did you hear it? I like it that way. Listen. I can really hear it going from higher to lower. Can you? And from lower to higher? Maybe I could play a song. You could make up your own song, going from higher to lower, or from lower to higher. So I hope this might be something you'd like to try. I know I had fun doing it. And if you don't have your own xylophone, remember you can make one. What do you need? Just a few glasses of the same size and the same shape, and fill them up with different amounts of water, and then play away. Have fun!